Let's not bury our heads in the sand. Even the proposals to Kugamba, we are saying EPIC can stay, but we should have something to do with oil and gas in this university, Bunyoro University. It is our flagship thing. Obeba Kigumba, obeba Nkaha, and kindly nkwenda kubasavu. Inywe nahanu you have dealt with mkuru wa ihanga in one way or the other. Akira kugenda muno science, technology, oil and gas. Atomo kaa kumuletera lullaby ya business studies. Nagenda na vyama. Nagamba hii nike kibalisiri. So in all you are doing, there must be a college of oil and gas in this Bunyoro University. That is my view. Kionka bagamba ensi bambi edibyomutere, something like that. Tukwenda kurora, how do we package? Kurora ngu tumukwasire hamutima henyini. Tugeyo nagamba, that is the declaration.
Ebimuhali ebyo nohali okutaba neitaka erinyakuli omukichweka kimu okurwanagana nkabebembezi baitu kandi bamalirire baikiranize university no hakire tandike nekora nka colleges nikwo ekiroto kyabo kisobole kuba nikiyikira.
Nyamba inisaba this time tubanze to holding kintu kimu constant tukwenda ki university on a model of colleges tube na options nuclear save hand where I remember hand ekoleki everyone to revert to get compromising. We are talking about the land which is in a common what place, which is titled with the help of that Hoima campus. For example, now me I don't want to sound controversial. I talk to my chairman. In Masindi we have land which is free, 100 acres and titled, which was meant for the other National Teachers College.
Hanyuma eyorukrat runo omujwara kondo kalisa kabagambe atusoboroire ebinyakurugiremu.
Wewe nokusikombuha university erabanka idgotera banka ebi tweka nangalo ndanga baitu hati okwikalire twekiraniza twagamba nti university egede hamusingi ogwa colleges matidawe college Kigumba we mhabe college na kiwa kabe college iki kikuru muno
agumize omulingo bakugenda okuba neira kalimo
baite kiruki omukisakirite abakurasi abakokasi ya Bunyoro naitwe abakunga Bunyoro institution zone zo kama na abamagezi abakalimagezi bona bakiradize kora hamwe tugenda mu maiso
omukumalira kuno Chairperson Jacob Karubanga owa Bunyoro Parliamentary Caucus agumize nti bakugenda okuhereza yo reporter omufisi eya Prime Minister oboni balindira ekiro ekirategekwa okuba ni bayitira President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni okumusaba university kandi yagumya nti tibakwija okuruga hamuramwa.
Twagamba abakurasi bayi chairman wa Caucus n'abagenzi be bagende bahurifu Prime Minister kugamba sobole kurora nti government omwaka guno etandikire university ya Bunyoro hamusingi gwa college